Greetings to each and every one of you. My name is Rafila Musegwa. I'm doing CIC 2601 and this is my assignment 2. So based on the lesson plan, I've chosen the grade 12. The topic is based on tropical cyclones. So the lesson objective, which are the outcomes that the learners need to achieve at the end of the lesson. I've stated that learners need to know what a tropical cyclone is at the end of the lesson. They need to know each and every stage of a tropical cyclone. They need to know how to identify it and give the characteristics of each and every tropical cyclone. By the end of this lesson, learners need to know the impact of tropical cyclones on people, on the environment, and on the economy. So by the end of this lesson, learners need to know the characteristics of an occluded stage on the tropical cyclone. So going on to the next page, the teacher's role in this portfolio. The teacher's role is to make sure that all the learners understand. The teacher needs to act as a facilitator, a guide, and an assessor. So the teacher needs to make sure that all lessons are prepared in time. The teacher needs to present content. So when it comes to the learner's role, the role of the learners is to make sure that they understand in classroom, they participate in the class, raise up wherever they don't understand, ask questions. And the role of the learners again is to engage in learning, work in groups, participate, always be active, and apply their own knowledge. So the learners need to ask questions wherever they do not understand. So moving on to the next, which is the substitution. Technology replaced traditional textbook and paper-based quiz argumentation. Technology enhanced the activity by allowing learners to zoom annotation and access real-time or historical satellite. So modification, technology enhanced significant redesign of tasks through collaboration, multimedia integration, and interactive. So the reflections so far, the learners were able to identify the different kind of tropical cyclones. Learners were participating. They raised their hands wherever they did not understand. So the reflection on the tropical cyclone, learners were very focused and they did apply their own knowledge. So when it comes to engaging with learners who are not easily focused when it comes to who do not understand this topic, I've decided as a teacher to create extra classroom activities so that they can understand. I've decided to let them work in groups so that wherever they don't understand, they are allowed to raise up their hand and ask questions. They are also allowed to work in groups so that they can gain knowledge from one another. Thank you very much.